Welcome back to Ryan Free Motor Cars, another edition for YouTube. It is January, we are busy as hell. 29 sales already done, and now we got another delivery right now. Special type of vehicle. Every day at Ryan Free Motor Cars, it's something different, something special, unique, and out of the ordinary. As you see, crazy, crazy cars, but we got something very different today and very special, and you're about to see. So let's figure out opening this up. Oh, this is actually a lot easier than I thought. All right. So this piece came from Italy. I had custom made. You guys all know we love certain cars of ours, so. This is probably the most manual label I'll ever do. Woo! I think this is how Porsches used to be delivered back in the 90s. I don't like to use tools. I like to really get aggressive here. Let's watch the cars though. Let's move this over. So like Lamborghini dealers have like their new Lamborghinis be delivered in boxes outside. We're not there yet. We're not on that level yet. Waited like 3 months for this thing to be custom made. We're crazy car nuts. We're passionate, and this is completely an explanation of that when you see it. Let's do the honors here. What do we have here? Looks like something paint to sample. Oh boy. I wish all our cars came this protected. We don't have to worry about any scratching during transport. I promise this is not a bunch of kilos of cocaine, although it looks like what one would find floating in Miami on the shores. Part of the fun in opening presents, getting a workout done. Oh, Louis would love this. Louis would be popping all the pops things. This is what like a little kid would be doing. That's what Louis would do. That's his contribution to health. These things will. Woo! Whoa! Oh, this is so fucking cool. Wow. So you all know that I'm obsessed with my paint to sample mint America Roadster. And I've always seen these like 80s cars that you see outside of a store online. And a guy told me he was refurbishing one. And I said, wouldn't it be cool to make it like minty? Is this thing, did you know it was gonna be this or no? This thing is so cool. He even did the leather with the mint stitching on the seats. This was made as a present for my son. He was just born. I have 2 daughters and a son, and his name is Miles Friedman. I made this for him, special. We have another version, which I'll show you right here. As you know, we love our Mint America Roadster, and we'll never sell it. We had this one custom made as well. Just cool little interesting stuff to have. The good detail of all the mint piping around the sports seats, but I mean, even down to the license plate frame being proper on the back. I mean, my wife is gonna kill me. She's literally gonna kill me. Let's continue to open it. We're not done yet. We're not done yet, Mackenzie. Come on. Everyone just likes to sit around. Everyone likes to just drive the cars that it's okay though. I gotta bring it to my house. My wife's gonna kill me when she sees this thing. Plug it in. How do we plug it in? Why, we don't have things like this in America? I don't think. We're gonna have to get a converter for this. So look, come around here. I had them redo the whole bottom. Have this in silver with his name and everything. Just a cool, different piece right here. So you turn it on with the key. Maybe one day my son will look at this and think it's cool, but yeah, another cool day at Ryan Free Motor Cars. New inventory, a new Mint America Roadster to add to the collection. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick episode of showing just different things that we buy and acquire. This is not for sale, as you can imagine. Soon coming with another video. Can't wait to get back at you guys. Take care.